Good evening and welcome to the session number 20 from the playlist of electrostatic potential and capacitance. The topic is the electric potential due to a uniformly charged sphere or a spherical shell. So based on this topic, I have written here some important formulas pertaining to this topic. Now, a uniformly charged sphere can be a conducting sphere or a non-conducting sphere. So for a conducting sphere or a conducting spherical shell, the potential at a point which is lying on the surface of the shell or surface of the shell or the sphere or inside the shell or inside the sphere will be given by this formula, that is V is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught capital R, where here capital R is the radius of the spherical shell or the sphere. But if the point is lying outside the spherical shell or the sphere, and if the point is at a distance small r from the center of the sphere or the spherical shell, then in that case the potential at that point will be equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon small r. That is if r, that is small r, is greater than r. So this is the point which is lying outside the spherical shell or the sphere, and for a point inside the spherical shell or the sphere or on the surface of that spherical shell or the sphere, and the potential is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught capital R, where R is the radius of the shell or sphere. Now, the second important point is the non-conducting sphere or the spherical shell. Now, the non-conducting sphere is a dielectric sphere, and if the sphere is non-conducting, then the potential at a point P, which is outside the spherical shell or the sphere, will be given by this formula, that is V is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught small r, where r is the distance of that point from the center of the shell or the sphere, and here small r is greater than r, that is the point is lying outside the shell or the sphere. Now, if the point is lying on the surface of the shell or the sphere, then V is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught capital R. And if the point is lying inside, then in that case V is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket 3 r square minus small r square divided by 2 r cube. So at the center of the this spherical shell or the sphere, in the case of a non-conducting sphere or spherical shell, at the center the potential will be equal to here at the center small r will be equal to 0, so this will be equal to 3q divided by 8 pi epsilon naught r. So these formulas are applicable only when the medium is free space. So in the next session, I will be discussing about, or I will be deriving the equation for the electric potential due to an infinitely long charged wire. So that will be taken up in the next session, that is in the session number 21. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.